We want to impress on you the great importance of preparing yourselves as channels for the beauty of the light to spread over the whole earth. People are needed by the earth. The planet needs you as an individual. However small and insignificant you may feel, the time has now come for you to work for the purification of the earth plane. What all the world needs is light, love, goodwill, and you, as a human being, can be a channel for this. There is so much confusion on your earth, so much confusion now between the countries and the peoples of the world. The mists caused by the thoughts of humanity are very dense, and you all feel the oppression of these mists. But you are courageous and have set your course, and as you go straight forward, we would have you hold the picture of peace and a perfect life of harmony, brotherhood, and goodwill. A life of cooperation, not of selfishness. All your work can be summed up in one phrase: to overcome egotism and selfishness. And if, with your help, we can assist those on earth to a state of brotherly love and understanding and a desire to help each other, then indeed you will be accomplishing a great work. Remember that you are the builders. Your love and your positive thought are a creative power for good, for beauty, for truth in your body, in your life, and in the whole world. And so we ask you to create in your mind the image of a perfect world, a perfect land. The way for human beings to restore the perfect life on this planet, to restore harmony and brotherhood, is to hold humanity and the earth in a perfect thought, a thought of harmony, beauty, brotherly love, and wholeness or healthiness. The power of thought is the power of creation, and we are endeavoring to teach you the creative power of thought, the power of good thought, or God thought. The whole of creation is held in God's thought, in the thought of the infinite Spirit. How can we find earthly words to help you comprehend this fundamental truth? One day you will understand how subtle is the power that can manipulate soul substance and physical matter, the power of thought. When you concentrate upon an ideal or upon a form, very quickly that form is created. When you concentrate upon an idea, it brings that idea into existence. Now it may be that the thought is weak, in which case the creation will be weak and scarcely formed. But if your thought is strong, inspired by the Spirit, particularly the Spirit of love, the thought very quickly becomes a reality. Remember that you have within your heart this almighty power. It will come to you as you practice good thought, positive thought. It can save you, and it can recreate you and your life and your work. You can affect the lives of your fellow beings by putting into their minds the right thought, God thought. You can change the very atoms of the physical earth by thought. We told you on one occasion that the thoughts of one good man or woman, directed with power and goodwill and love, could affect the thoughts of thousands. An individual's thought is externalized in his or her world. The collective thought of a nation produces the state of that nation. Good thought, God thought, positive good thought works. It is our work and yours to think positively and always concentrate positive good upon conflict and cruelty. Your thoughts, even your speech, your attitude to this healing of the earth can help so much because it is while you are in a physical body and your mental body is being directed by your brain that humanity can receive tangible help, close help. With those in the physical body, a tremendous amount depends upon their thought, their attitude towards their surroundings, and the conditions in the physical life. You have the power within you to free yourselves from the bondage of material and physical life. And once again, we ask every person to hold fast to this fundamental truth, the power of your individual thought and of your speech and actions. We have said to you on former occasions that if you will transfer your thoughts from physical matter into spiritual life, you will solve your problems. This is a truth. Do not think about physical conditions or problems of the earth. Think about God, and you will be with God. You are not alone. There are many wise ones watching, inspiring, guiding. Do not think you are carrying the responsibility of humanity's right living, right action, and right thinking. The only responsibility you are carrying is for yourselves. It comes down to this, that every single person has an immense opportunity to send forth the thought of God. Just think of God and give God the opportunity to work through the physical life. And this applies to all the aspects of your life on earth. If the light is generated and sent forth, you are acting with all the power that God has given you to assist your earth companions to respond to and absorb the light which is being sent to them. Good thought, God thought, can raise the whole life of humanity.